We are at Cheyenne Mountain State Park. We're parked right here. We followed this Talon Trail to the Zook Loop. I just had to fill out this log. They check this log to make sure everybody is accounted for at the end of the day because there's bears and mountain lions. We are at Cheyenne Mountain State Park doing the Zook Trail and came an absolute flood on us right before we got out. We're all soaking wet, but it is about 20 degrees cooler than it was. It's pushing 90 when we got here. And now it's in the 60s, so lucky us. It's perfect weather now. This is the storm that just came through. I mean, it was raining buckets. And now it's sunny and beautiful. And there's Cheyenne Mountain. Absolutely gorgeous. Isn't she pretty? Wow. She just eating. Because of the rain that we got on the way in, the trail is so slick and muddy.
Deer tracks.
What'd you find? Deer tracks? How cool.
Deer tracks. Deer tracks.
More deer tracks. Maybe we'll see another one, huh? More?
Deer tracks. And deer tracks.
We're about halfway through the trail. This is like a little sitting area. So cool. Tells you where you're at. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, come here! Bears! bears.
Oh. Cheyenne Mountain State Park. The black bear is king of the hill. There's black bears. They can vary in color from black to cinnamon to blonde. Always digging in the dirt. No, the trail is getting pretty narrow through here. He did it!
Is it get another one?
Okay. Woo! Whoa!
Those.
That's a mountain lion.
My other ones.
There's deer, mule deer. It says if you meet a mountain lion in the park,
And a
stay
buck.
calm,
And
talk calmly, make slow movements, raise your arms. If the lion approaches, throw stones. Don't turn your back. If the lion attacks, fight back. You told her to walk on the side. She walks right through it. So does Peyton. We got about a quarter mile left. So we are almost back. We're right here on the Zook Loop. So glad they have these trails marked so you know you're going the right way. We've been on a lot of trails that didn't have them, and we end up on different trails or more difficult trails.
Backward too.
What'd you see?
Said blue. I see a bear.
You saw a bear?
Yes.
Your face is red.
Oh, thank you.
I think we're almost back. I was hoping to see more wildlife.
Oh, a bat. Look at my
That's
bear,
where we're
a
parked
bat,
down there.
a bat.
Just finished our trail. We stopped in front of the parking lot. There's a little rest area here. The cutest little park, little playground. Kids are enjoying that.
If you'd like to follow us on our journey, please subscribe.